Okay, so I figured I would show you guys something interesting. Some of you may recognize this keyboard. It is the famous IBM Model M keyboard that I found at a thrift store for $5, but it has a critical flaw. If you notice, the connector looks like an RJ45. That is because this keyboard is meant for an ancient terminal, and therefore no use to me. But I didn't figure this out until after I spent 30 minutes cleaning this thing up, so I figured I would make a video anyway since I already shot the footage. So here is me cleaning a Model M keyboard, sped up of course. If you have any suggestions on what I can do with this thing, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, this is probably destined for the garbage, or maybe I'll try to resell it on eBay or something. Anyways, thank you for watching.